Today we're talking about the Black Salt Audio Oxygen plugin, and if you want to know what this plugin can do for your mixes, for your tracks, and just overall what it has to offer, stick around after this introduction. Welcome everybody, I'm Dan Spencer and I am the Audio Sorcerer. So this is the channel where I teach you how to perfect your audio recording, mixing, and mastering skills. So before we get to the video, make sure you guys smash the like button. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell to know when I have new videos coming out. So without further ado, today we're talking about Black Salt Audio's Oxygen. So I do want to mention that Black Salt Audio actually reached out to me to review this plugin and that all of the thoughts and opinions in this video are mine. So I just want to get that out of the way first. So what is Oxygen? Well, Oxygen is described as a unique processor that combines compression, tape saturation, stereo enhancement, and equalization to add a silky smooth top end to any signal. So basically, this plugin is an enhancement plugin. So basically, if you have a sound or track in your session, and regarding the high end, you would put it at a 9 out of 10, and you want to get it to a 10, this is the plugin you would want to add to your track. Because with these 4 different effects in it working together, it's going to get your sound to the next level, and it's going to do it transparently. And that's what's great about this plugin. So in this video, what I did was I broke it apart into 3 sections. In the first section, I'm going to take you through the user interface so you know how to actually use the plugin. In the second section, I'm going to use this on a snare drum and let you hear what all of the parameters do so you can really hear what this thing does. And in the third section, I'm actually going to dial this in on the snare drum and also a bass guitar and then let you hear them in a full drum and bass mix. So hopefully within that example, you'll be able to determine whether or not you want to add the Oxygen plugin to your collection. And if you do, I have a link in the description below where you can go purchase it. And since you guys are watching this video, I'm assuming you're interested in Black Salt Audio products. So in the top right corner, I have a link popping up to my review of their low control plugin, which is an amazing plugin. So definitely check that out after this video. And with that being said, let's actually get further into this review here and look at the user interface of the Black Salt Audio Oxygen. Alright, so here we are in Pro Tools, and I have the Black Salt Audio Oxygen plugin open. And we're going to look at these top 3 parameters here first. So we have bite, presence, and air. So these parameters here really determine what this plugin is going to sound like. These are the crossover filters. Now the manual does not tell you what specific frequencies that these filters cross over at, but I will tell you that bite is the lowest and air is the highest. Now moving over to the left-hand section here, this is the compression section. You have 2 different types. You have punch and you have smooth, and they are exactly like they sound. And the control knob here allows you to dial in that compression. So as you turn it up, you're going to get more compression, and as you turn it down, you're going to get less compression. Over in the right-hand section here, you have your tape saturation. This is the level control for it right here. Now the width knob is kind of interesting, and it's only available on the stereo version of this plugin, which that's what I have on now. It's on a snare bus. So basically it says that it boosts the side signal in a very natural way. That's what the manual says. Now I don't really hear it so much on a snare bus, or my bass track's also stereo. I don't really hear it so much on the bass. They say that you would hear it more if you put it on a drum bus. You'll hear it on the cymbal. So it's going to be more on sounds like that, okay? Now, the middle knob here, the one that says Oxygen, is actually your mix knob, because this plugin is meant to be blended in with your dry signal. You don't really want to have this thing affecting it as a completely wet signal, all right? So you use this knob to dial it in. Beneath that, we have our output level fader right here. And then up here at the top, the actual Oxygen logo will launch your user manual. I love plugins that have user manuals in it, so that's good to know. The preset section here has factory presets for genre and producer presets. And you can look through these and you can kind of see, you know, hey, this plugin should be used for these type of instruments. But honestly, this plugin could be used on really anything. And, you know, I said that, you know, this is meant to be used on instruments you want to affect the high end on, but you may be asking, why are you using it on bass? Well, this particular bass is like a punk rock bass, so we want a lot of that kind of mid-range sound, and we want to get some saturation in it. So this is a really good plugin for that, and you're going to get to hear that a little bit later on. All right. So now that you know all about the user interface and how it works, let's listen to what all of these parameters sound like on a snare drum. All right, cool. So now you have a good idea of what all of the parameters sound like in this plugin. Let me actually dial this in for the snare drum so we can make it sound good. All right, so that's definitely sounding really good. The snare had that really nice fullness to it, but we were definitely missing the snap, and this plugin got us where we need to be. But I really want you guys to hear what this sounds like in the full drum mix and the huge difference that it makes. So we're going to start with the plugin bypassed within the drum mix, and then I'll bring it in. All right, so let's give it a listen. All right, huge difference there. That definitely took the snare drum to the next level. It cuts through the drum mix there, and it just sounds great. Definitely loving it. All right, so let's hear what this sounds like on bass guitar. All right, cool. So it's really subtle, but if you really pay attention to the actual, you know, plucking of the strings there, it's, coming out just a little bit more, and you can kind of hear that saturation on top of it. And I do have this plugin kind of cranked on here, and I do have the actual compression pretty high, and I have the saturation pretty high, okay? And oxygen's also pretty high on the mix knob. So let's hear what this sounds like in the full drum bass mix, and we'll start with it bypassed, and then I'll bring it in. Let's give it a listen. All right, so it's very subtle, but honestly, those subtle adjustments in a mix make all the difference. And I could definitely hear the bass cutting through just a little bit more when the oxygen plugin is active. All right, so that was my review / tutorial on the Black Salt Audio Oxygen plugin. So again, this is an enhancement plugin. So you're gonna wanna use it to enhance your instruments, your sounds, and your tracks. So this is not something that you want to start mixing with, you want to finish mixing with it. So for example, if I was mixing my vocals, I would use my normal vocal plug-in chain and I would mix them, to the end. And if I wasn't quite there yet, this is the kind of plugin I would slap on that would hopefully get me to the finish line. So, if you guys are struggling getting some of your tracks to that finish line, this is the kind of plugin that you would want to consider adding to your plugin collection, because that's what this plugin is meant for. And even if you're not really struggling, this plugin just has some really good features in it. So I really like the saturation in it, and the fact that it's like a high-end saturation. It's just really great for vocals, and as you saw in the video, for bass. We got that nice little mid-range saturation in there. So it has some nice stuff that's going to really enhance your sounds as a seasoned engineer also. So I really, really dig this plugin. So if you guys end up liking this plugin, again, I do have a link in the description below where you can go purchase it. And if you guys end up liking this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so I'm making this content for you, and hit that notification bell to know when I have new videos coming out. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely check out my video / review on the Black Salt Audio Escalator plugin. And with that being said, until the next video, I will see you guys later, and peace out.